Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best solar hat is probably one of the most innovative and practical gadgets you'll encounter this summer, offering a unique blend of sun protection and personal cooling technology designed to keep you comfortable even on the hottest days. Imagine stepping out into the blazing sun, not with the dread of overheating, but with a gentle, refreshing breeze directed right at your face, all powered by the sun itself. This isn't just a hat, it's your personal, portable oasis, making outdoor activities like hiking, gardening, or simply enjoying a day at the park significantly more enjoyable and less sweltering. Number 5. Mission Cooling Bucket Hat. Introducing the Mission Cooling Bucket Hat, designed for both men and women. It's your perfect companion for any outdoor activity, keeping you comfortable and protected. Experience innovative cooling technology that lasts for up to 2 hours. This hat actively helps regulate your temperature, so you can focus on your workout. Crafted from 100% polyester, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to fold. Take it anywhere without hassle, ensuring you're always prepared for the sun. Built to be durable, this hat is made to withstand regular use. Its wide brim offers excellent sun protection, making it ideal for exercise and fitness enthusiasts. This unisex hat offers a comfortable fit for everyone. Its versatile design makes it suitable for a wide range of activities, from intense workouts to casual strolls. Don't let the heat slow you down. This hat provides reliable sun protection and cooling, ensuring you stay comfortable and perform at your best. What we like? This hat offers lightweight, foldable, and durable features for extended cooling. If you need a hat that's easy to carry and lasts through your activities, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who are always on the go and want reliable sun protection. What people say. The material is light and breathable, and when soaked briefly it gives a noticeable cooling effect that actually helps when you're out in direct sun. The brim gives decent shade around the face and neck, and it packs down easily for travel or storage. It keeps him cool. Keeps the sun off his head. It's very thin, but the material works. It looks great. Fits his head nicely. Keeps its shape also. Fits in your back pocket. Number 4. Mission Cooling Hoodie Towel. Experience instant cooling relief with this innovative towel. It's designed to cool you down the moment it gets wet, providing immediate comfort. Utilizing advanced evaporative cool technology, this towel actively cools your body. Simply wet it, and feel the difference as it works to keep you comfortable. Enjoy your outdoor activities with confidence. It offers UPF 50 sun protection, shielding you from harmful UV rays while you stay cool. Designed to stay in place, its contoured shape fits snugly around your head. You can move freely without worrying about it slipping or falling off. Whether you're engaged in sports, fitness, or a gym session, this is your ideal companion. It's built to enhance your performance and comfort during any physical activity. What we like? Experience instant cooling with evaporative technology and UPF 50 sun protection. If you're looking for gear that keeps you cool and protected during intense workouts or outdoor sports, this is it. It's designed to stay put, making it ideal for active individuals. What people say. This towel actually works. I was skeptical at first, but after soaking it, giving it a quick snap, and throwing the hood over my head, I felt the temperature drop within seconds. The hoodie design is a game changer. It stays on without slipping, and the material feels soft against the skin, no scratchy fabric or weird chemical smell like some other cooling towels. I've used it multiple times a week, and it's held up perfectly. No fraying edges, no fading, no loss of cooling power. Just rinse, re-wet, and repeat. Dries fast too, so you're not carrying around a soggy mess. Number 3. Mission Cooling UPF Boonie Hat. Introducing the Mission Cooling UPF Boonie Hat, your ultimate companion for outdoor adventures. It's designed to keep you comfortable and protected from the sun's harsh rays. Experience the innovative sweat and water-activated cooling technology. When you sweat, it activates, providing a refreshing coolness that lasts. With UPF protection, this hat shields you from harmful UV rays. Enjoy your activities without worrying about sunburn. Perfect for hiking, beach days, or fishing trips. Its versatile design makes it suitable for any outdoor pursuit. This unisex Boonie hat offers a comfortable fit for everyone. Its lightweight design ensures you stay cool and comfortable all day long. Don't let the heat stop you. Grab this hat and embrace the outdoors with confidence and comfort. What we like. This hat uses sweat and water activation for cooling, along with excellent sun protection. If you enjoy activities like hiking, fishing, or spending time at the beach, this hat will keep you comfortable. It's designed for those who need effective cooling powered by moisture. What people say. The brim is just wide enough to keep the sun off your face, neck, and ears, but not too wide. It's stiff enough to stay out of your vision but still folds up so it's portable. The mesh on top keeps your head nice and cool but doesn't allow it to get burned. It washes easily and dries quickly. It is very light and vented. It wicked the sweat away to keep it from rolling down on my face, especially into the eyes. I soaked it in cold water for a few minutes, gave it a squeeze, then put it on, and I loved it. Great hat for sun protection. Well vented. Lightweight and comfortable. Number 2. New Folding Fishing Umbrella Hat. Introducing the ultimate hands-free solution for sun and rain protection. This innovative hat keeps you covered, no matter the weather. With a wide 37.4-inch diameter, it offers ample coverage for your head and arms. It's also surprisingly portable when folded, making it easy to carry anywhere. Enjoy a secure and comfortable fit thanks to the adjustable chin strap and lanyard cord lock. It's designed to stay in place, even on windy days. The heat-reflective cloth and ventilation system help you stay cool by bouncing sunlight away. You'll feel significantly cooler even in strong sunlight. Opening and closing this hat is a breeze. Simply pull the top rope to open, and press the button to retract it automatically, just like a regular umbrella. Perfect for a wide range of outdoor activities like fishing, gardening, hiking, and golfing. It's also a fun and unique gift idea for anyone. What we like. Enjoy hands-free, oversized coverage with UV protection. If you need to keep a large area dry or shaded, especially during activities like gardening or fishing, this is your go-to. It's perfect for anyone who wants maximum protection without holding anything. What people say. It can get wet with the waves and hold it warm and provide significant sun protection. This thing is simply fantastic. It is comfortable to wear, holds fast with the chin strap, and really does a good job of protecting you from the sun and even rain, if it's not blowing much. It works extremely well in open spaces. They used very good and sturdy materials. Number 1. Cooling Sun Defender Sun Hat. Stay protected from the sun's harmful rays with our advanced sun hat. It offers UPF 50 UV protection, ensuring your skin stays safe. The wide brim provides ample shade for your face, neck, and ears. Enjoy your outdoor activities without worrying about sunburn. Experience superior comfort with its cooling features. This hat is designed to keep you comfortable even on the hottest days. Perfect for any outdoor adventure, whether you're hiking, fishing, at the beach, or gardening. It's your go-to accessory for sun protection. Designed for everyone, this hat offers a comfortable fit for both men and women. Enjoy stylish sun protection together. What we like. This hat provides UPF 50 and wide brim for superior UV protection. If you spend a lot of time outdoors and need to shield your face and neck from the sun, consider this option. It's ideal for hiking, fishing, beach trips, and gardening. What people say. It does keep me cool in the California heat and sun. The hat is lightweight and has 2 straps to fit any head size. The wide brim protects your ears from sun damage, which could lead to the development of cancerous tissue. A large visor provides protection for your eyes. The rest or neck flap protects that area from sunburn and the resulting skin damage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.